Hey guys, this is Abhishek from gadgetsreview.com, and today we are going to do the quick unboxing and full review of the Nokia portable charger. We have got the stylish charger from Nokia, and this looks pretty good in terms of the overall look and feel because it is kind of small, so the overall form factor is going to be great. It should be quite portable, and it does have these LEDs over here for indicating the battery power which is left into this portable battery backup charger. So let's unbox this, and before we unbox this, we can see that it can support multiple devices. Not only Nokia devices are supported, you can actually charge other devices as well with this portable battery backup charger, and this is how you can use it. So let's unbox this. So this is the package which we have, and let me just open this thing. So once we open this, we can actually eject this part out. So once you unbox this, you get this user manual which comes within the package, which tells you about the different parts of this battery backup and how you can use it. Apart from this, we take a look over the battery backup over here. It is again covered with plastic. Let me just get rid of this extra plastic which we have on this device. So again, in terms of the overall look and feel, it is very small. It fits into your palm, quite portable to carry and quite light as well in terms of the weight. However, we are not sure about the battery rating, and once you get this cable out, which can be used for charging the other phones with this battery pack, you will also see the indications in the LED. So if you see all the LEDs glowing up, that means the battery is completely charged, and you can again slide it like this inside. Quite useful and quite nicely designed, I would say. Quite small as well in terms of the overall form factor. You have the micro USB port over here where you can actually insert the cable which come within this package, which is quite small cable. Again, it won't add bulk to your pocket whenever you use this cable. So you can actually insert the cable over here on this part, basically, not over there, and then you can charge this tablet. You can charge this portable battery backup with an external USB charger with a power port or with your laptop as well. And whenever you need to use it, you don't need to carry this. You just need to carry this. It has the cable inside rolled, and you can actually get the cable outside till this point, not beyond this point, and you can use it with any phone to charge it. For example, we have a Samsung Galaxy Note 3 over here, and let me try charging this with this battery backup. So as you can see, the device is now charging with this battery backup, which is quite small, and it can fit into your jeans pocket with the phone even after you have connected this with. That's all from us as far as the quick unboxing and full review of the Nokia portable charger. Quite nice charger. However, we are still not sure about the overall battery backup in terms of the overall power rating of the battery which is inside this charger, but you can always use it on the go, and you can actually charge any smartphone with it. So do let us know if you have any specific questions for this device. We would love to help you. You can like this video help you by clicking the like button below. You can subscribe to our YouTube video channel for more videos like this by clicking the subscribe button below. Thanks for watching this video. This is Abhishek signing off. Thank you.